Samsung has just announced the Galaxy S25 series. All three devices in the lineup, Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, and Galaxy S25 Ultra. The company unveiled the Galaxy S25 Edge, but it isn't launching alongside other Galaxy S25 series phones. Samsung Galaxy S25 starts at $799, Galaxy S25 Plus starts at $999 Galaxy S25 Ultra starts at $1,299. Pre-orders for S25 series start January 22nd, with general availability beginning February 7th. Galaxy S25 and Plus will be available in these colors. As for the Galaxy S25 Ultra, it comes in these colors. Galaxy S25 Ultra come with Corning Gorilla Armor 2. Samsung announces new Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy chip for Galaxy S25 series. New visual engine alongside the fastest NPU in a phone. Live translation now supports 20 languages. The Galaxy S25 series comes with a new aperture control. Plus, we can create our own color profiles. One UI 7 Now bar lets you see your game scores. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.